friends, welcome to Rainy Days. Hi friends, today I'm going to do a wall decor out of Pista shells. Now let's dive into the video. I have cut out few cardboard pieces and they are square shapes. Now I'm going to stick it together. I have sticked two cardboards together so they are strong. Now I'm going to mark the edges. I have marked all the four cardboards and did a quarter circle in all of them. Now I am going to stick some pistachio shells. I have sticked all the pista shells. Now I'll let it dry overnight. I have let it dry now and it's completely dried. Now I'll paint it. I am painting it with bright red colors. Now the paints have dried. Now I'm going to give a little gold shade so it gives a little shine. I have got one more cardboard for the base and I'll paint it black. I'm done painting black. Now I'll stick the other cardboards on these. I will stick like this. this is how my wall decor has turned out. First I thought it was going to be like boring, it didn't look good, I was doing it not great. But then after I kept it on the wall, it looked fantastic. I fell in love with it, and it took me about 3 days to finish this, and I love it. If you have watched my video, please consider subscribing to my channel and press the like button. See you all soon. Bye bye.